Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader today. So today in this video I will tell you how the price of gold has moved in the last week and how the gold price can move in the next week. See, if you look at the chart, what we can see that the gold price is currently moving at around 1787. Okay, suppose if the price of gold sustain this level, or as you have seen that it has already made a high of around 1853. Okay, and after this particular 1853 resistance, it is continuously in the downtrend. Okay, so before that, if you have any doubt regarding gold position, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, or a mail ID I have given in the description. Please watch the full video, then you will understand how this technical in gold is working. And if you wish to join my Telegram channel, link I have given in the description, you can join. Now if you look at the chart, what you can see that the price of gold is currently moving at around 1786, and if it sustain, because what we can see a strong support coming at around at a level of 1782. Suppose if it comes close to this level and then we can see a bounce back from there, or if it didn't sustain this level, then we can see it can go further low. And this support, what you can see, the support at a level of around 1785 is already tested here. But if it goes below this level, then we can see it has touched a level of 1782.98. But if the price goes below this level, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 1773, because this is the particular range. If this range breaks downside, we can see yes, it can go further low to a level of 1773, or if it goes below this level, then we can see it can touch a level of 1763.72. Okay, and if you look at the chart, what you can see that a level of 1761 is already tested here twice. So probability is there very high that if it comes close to this level, we can see a level of 1757 also, and if it goes below this level, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 1752. 1752 is already tested here, so chances will be very high. We can see it can go and fall further to a level of 1748, or if the price goes below this level, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 1745.95. okay, once this level goes below the price, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 1732. Now remember, I have already told you in my previous video that if the price goes below 1732, we can see it can go and touch a level of 1720, and from there we can see it can go further low. Okay, now understand one thing. Suppose if the price sustain this level, okay, then what we can see, but as of now we can see a continuous downtrend. Okay, and if you look at the chart, we can see a narrow pattern is forming like this. So chances of falling will be high if the trend line goes below this level. Suppose if it sustain this level, what we can see, it can go further high to a level of 1800. okay, and if it sustain above this level, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 1803. Suppose if the price sustain above this level, then we can see a level of 1810, and if it sustain above this level, then we can see a level of 1815 also. And if it goes above 1815, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 1822, and from there we can see it can go and touch a level of 1829. If it comes again at a level of 1829, we can see further upside to a level of 1834, and from there we can see a level of 1842. If the price sustain above this level, we can see it can go further high to a level of 1848, and from there we can see a level of 1853. okay, once if it goes above 1853, we can see it can go and touch a level of 1864, and from there we can see a level of 1877 also. okay, and it can go further high. Any doubt regarding this, you can tell me. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please go thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe.